Hello again, my friends. Chef Bernard here from Colors and Spice Gourmet. Thank you for watching my presentation today. We're going to make a chicken marsala right now. All right, now chicken marsala, here's the ingredients. We have 2 nicely trimmed chicken breasts. I have some chopped garlic. I'll use about 1 tablespoon, about 2 tablespoons of onions. We'll need about a 1/4 cup of butter. And I have some mushrooms here. You probably use about 1 cup per person. You can go a little bit less if you want to. And then we're going to add the Colors and Spice Gourmet Demiclass. This is what is going to make this a wonderful dinner, this sauce. We make it from scratch for you, and it is the best you can get. The barbecue rub we're going to use to season the chicken with. And then, of course, lots of marsala. Alright, I'm going to get started. I have my pan already heating up a little bit. I'll just increase the heat. Okay, now I will take the season the chicken breast on both sides. If you like to add a little extra pepper, you can do that too. Now, this is nice and warm now. I'm going to add this butter into the pan and start it to melt. The butter, of course, is going to burn if you let it. So you want to just get it to melt, and then we'll put the chicken in right away. And it will not burn quite as quick. I can say though, if you by the time you add the liquid to it, if the butter turns brown, that would add a beautiful flavor to it. It gives it a nice nutty flavor, and that's really good. Whenever I have a sauce or any dish where I use butter, and it doesn't have to be white, I will always let the butter go brown. This is melted, so let's put this in there. Okay, we're going to let this simmer here a little bit. Okay, this is now starting to simmer nicely. And you can see the butter on the outside is slowly turning brown. That's not a bad thing, that's actually good. Turn this over. Then it's brown that. Now I am going to add the mushrooms in there first and get it around. Just let this, the mushrooms can be slightly caramelized as well. Going to add a little bit of the chicken rub on the mushrooms too. Very nice. Here we go. So the mushrooms have started to slowly turn brown. I'm going to add some onions there. It's about 2 tablespoons. Now the chicken is probably brown on that side. I'm going to turn it back over. I'm able to put my hands into these pans. I'm used to it. You don't do that at home, okay? don't want you to burn yourself. All right. Now, we're going to add a little bit of garlic here. Smells good. That's because I took a shower this morning. Okay. One thing I want you to be careful with is when you cook chicken is you of course want to cook it well done because there's a salmonella danger and you don't want to get salmonella. But if you overcook it, then the chicken is going to be dry. If you cook it just to the point where it's well done, that's where you want to be because then it's still going to be juicy, and that's really what makes a good chicken. Okay, so now the onions and mushrooms are starting to turn slightly brown. So now, and before the onions start to burn, I'm going to now add the Marsala to it. I put about maybe half a cup. And we're going to continue to simmer this now for a little bit. The Marsala, by cooking it now, obviously the alcohol is going to burn off. There will not be any alcohol in the sauce by the time you get to eat it. So some of you might be thinking, why put it in then? But, well, it's the flavor. All right. Now I'm going to add this wonderful democlass sauce that we make for you. You want to just maybe stir it up a little bit because the solids will kind of go to the bottom. And you want to make sure you get those in there as well. Okay, so I'm going to go like this much sauce. I'm putting about, it looks like about 1/4 to 1/3 of the jar. This stuff is so good, I don't want to waste one drop of it. There we go. And start incorporating that. It's very, very nice. I know I'm going to enjoy my lunch today. All right, so this is now done, and we're just to make sure, I'm going to cut into one of these chicken breasts to make sure it's done. See, I don't go and just cook it for half an hour to make sure it's going to be well done, because then it will be overcooked. And so I'm going to do that and just see. And this is well done, just right. Okay, so now here's what I'm going to do. Put this on here. We have our local dog population is watching us here, all anxious to get some of it. So you keep that in mind. Huh? The dogs like it too. Okay, and then I can turn this off now. parsley for garnish, and that is it. I'm going to enjoy this, and you're going to have to make it own. Very nice with a nice white wine with this is very nice. And one side dish I like to serve with this is polenta. All of these ingredients can be bought on cnsgourmet.com, and we'll have the democlass and all our other wonderful products you can find there. So thank you very much for watching, and until the next time we do another cooking class, goodbye. I just want to show you how this looks here. If I take this breast, just want to cut into it and show you how well done it is. See, this is still a little bit raw, so we want to put that back in the pan.
That was a joke!
Why is that so funny?